There are lots of different ways to insert a busk, and no way is the right way or the wrong way, but here's the method that's used on the Annette corset. First, lay the bust on top of the center front and center front facing so that there is a 1/4 inch from the top and bottom edge. Then use a marking tool to mark the top and bottom of each loop. Next, sew between the markings so that there is an opening for each loop. Use a straight stitch and make sure to backstitch at the beginning and the end. Here is a visual of what it should look like after this step. After, press the seams open with an iron and then insert the busk in between the loops. Make sure that the busk is right side up. Fold under the raw edges of the center front facing so the busk is sitting tightly inside. Then stitch down the facing as close to that folded edge as possible. You can do this with the right side facing up or the wrong side facing up. Here is what it should look like after this step. Now let's move on to the stud side. First is to sew the center front and center front facing together. Press the seams open and then fold back the facing. Lay the loop side of the busk on top, then mark the openings on each loop. Use an awl or a hole puncher to make your holes, and then insert the studs through each hole. After, fold back the raw edges of the facing and finish it using the same method as the loop side. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like it, save it, and share it. Thanks for watching.